I know many people don't know that they can make ice cream instantly and enjoy it. So in this recipe, I'll be sharing with you how I make this instant strawberry ice cream. Okay, keep watching while I show you how to put this together. Firstly, I will show you my ingredient. These are my strawberries frozen. So make sure you are using frozen fruits. Whatever fruits of your choice that you're using, just make sure they are frozen. I will transfer my strawberries into the food processor. Next, I'm going to pour in my double cream. The cream is fresh double cream, so I'm using 1.5 cups. Okay, once I finish pouring the cream, next I'm going to add condensed milk. For this recipe there is no measurements, okay, just this the way you're watching is I just had my condensed milk without gauging. I just use my eyes to gauge it without measuring it, okay, no measurements. So I will cover this and I will blend. I was struggling with this food processor because I was using it for the first time since I got it. I've been using only the blender, so it's time to blend into smooth paste. At this stage I finished blending, so smooth, easy. Okay, so I'm going to turn off the blender and remove the food processor from the plug. So right now I'm going to show you guys how it looks. It looks so big, smooth, and ready to enjoy, ready to be enjoyed, right? So I'm going to scoop this ice cream into 4 ice cream cups. I got this from Home Baguette. It came with spoon, yeah, 4 cups and 4 spoons. So I'll be giving 3 for my kids, while I will have one, and the rest of the ice cream I'm going to keep it in the freezer. Are these not beautiful? Like, look at this. This is very, very simple. You don't need to wait for 2 hours or 1 hour before you can have your ice cream. The weather is very hot today, so I decided to make something easy, quick for them because they want ice cream and I don't want to go out. So this recipe is so good and it's a lifesaver. If I have to go and buy ice cream outside, I know how much I'm going to spend because the ice cream truck is around the house making noise and the kids want ice cream. Oh my god, they are expensive. They are expensive. So guys, we've come to the end of today's video. Please don't forget to like, share, follow for more recipe from Lola's recipe. Okay, I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.